I'm gonna tell you about oceans. I'm starting with Mariana Trench, the most deepest place on earth and the most deepest spot on the earth. And it's 39,975 feet deep, literally deep, but it's inside of the Bermuda Triangle. Now I'm gonna tell you what is Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle is a place when a ship go in the Bermuda Triangle, it doesn't come back. One day, 12 ships go on a fishing trip inside of the Mariana Trench. Only 2 ships came back, and there was even not a single soul of a man. The sharks are the most deadliest predators in the ocean. Now I'm gonna tell you about sharks. Like the great white is not the most powerful shark to ever exist on earth. In real, the most deadliest shark is Megalodon. It was the most largest creature in the world. Do you know the blue shark cannot see anything? It's a blind shark. It just feels what's coming towards them. The blue whale are the most largest creature in the world. The most largest. 120 feet long. Can you even believe it? Now I'm sharing about the Colossus. The Colossus is 30 feet and it does not have teeth. It has a material shape like a stone. And the Mosasaurus is 30 feet, the size of a Colossus, and 9 meters, even same size of a Colossus. And you know, Megalodon's bite is the most strongest of any creature that has ever existed on Earth. You have heard Moby Dick's name in some games like Hungry Shark Evolution. And Moby Dick is a creature the size of a Megalodon. But the Moby Dick couldn't eat Megalodon. It could almost eat everything but not Megalodon. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on the notification and see everything in the comments below. Bye.